1, 2, 3.
So welcome to the Georgia Film Academy at Assembly Studios.
There is a strong shared belief by myself and everyone in this room that this industry is transformative, not only for the state of Georgia, but ultimately these students and the people that populate these spaces.
To get these young men and women coming from schools throughout the state of Georgia to have their classes right beyond our gates, and then to access the productions that are going to be coming here to Assembly Studios, I think is amazing.
It's going to open up opportunities for a lot of young people on the north side of Atlanta. And the fact that we're here on a MARTA line, you know, that even is sweeter. So it is just the access now to industry, access to job opportunities. It's just going to be fascinating to see how this partnership evolves.
My favorite degree is FIO. And many people say, what is an FIO degree? I say it's figure it out. And these are the places with the Georgia Film Academy where these students get to figure it out and are able to walk onto a set and know exactly what to do because they've had a hand-in-glove experience working on these things with the Georgia Film Academy. That's why this relationship with Assembly Studios and the Georgia Film Academy is so important today as we go forward and continue to grow this industry.
This facility shows that the state and the local stakeholders like Assembly Atlanta are committed to this industry and will continue to turn out some of the best trained crew to work in Georgia.
This is an important program at an important place. It was important for us to bring it here. So overall, just really pure excitement for the future here.